Being aware of your own self-worth. Ordinary riches can be stolen, real riches cannot. In your soul are infinitely precious things that cannot be taken from you. Oscar Wilde. This quote is really all about self-worth. In our materialistic world, it becomes very easy to look externally and simply compare what we have, and more often what we lack versus other people. The truth is, every person has amazing gifts, talents, and passions that can be brought to the surface and expressed in a way that far exceeds any of that material insignificance. For some people, it is that ability to help a friend pull themselves out of a rut and find happiness. For other people, that personal gift may be expressed in a specific hobby or talent, where other people look at results in awe. The same goes for you. Use today to focus on those aspects of yourself that cannot be taken away from you. Imagine you were dropped in a new land with nothing but the clothes on your back. How would you use the gifts you already possess to make a new life for yourself? Please subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.